amore, amore, amore.
Guys, goedemorgen nog. Ja. Goedemorgen, bijna goedemiddag. Kasi 11:58 na, so mag-good afternoon na. But good morning pa rin nung nagsimula ako ng vlog. I don't know when I'm going to schedule it, this vlog. But today, I'm going to get my something in my camera. So, hindi nga siya natuloy last time, yesterday, which is Wednesday. But today, for sure, tuloy na to. Kasi, panoorin nyo yung vlog. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, panoorin nyo kung ano yung dapat kukuhanin ko sa store. But today, they are available. Nag-message na sila sa akin or nag-email na sila sa akin na nandun na yung kukunin ko. I think, isa pa lang yun. But yung pangalawa, hindi ko alam kung nandun na. So, yeah, I'm too excited today. But before that, prepare muna ako ng lunch. And I think lunch and agahan. Actually, may agahan kami kanina, cereal. But this one, bago kami umalis para lang may makain kami. I'm going to make some salad. Here. I want to make some salad with tuna. I have rucola and some iceberg salad and some carrots and 6 cherry tomato, which is the leftovers. Okay na yan. So, ganyan ako maghiwa ngayon kasi nga yung kamay ko is this one is still ito. So, lagyan ko lang siya ng olive oil, mustard, honey or honing. Dito honing kasi. Honey. Yun lang. Tsaka, I think white vinegar. So, yan lang yung kakainin namin and tuna. Here's Bob. Hinihintay lang namin na kunin sa stockroom yung Viltrox.
Orange.
So,
Here you go.
Hi guys, I got the Viltrox. What's this? 56 1.4. So, ito tayo namin. Nandito pa kami sa camera no. Ito yung camera no kahapon. So, let's try and open the box. How? Ano is it from here to here? Oh, here. Ganito siya eh. Open. Doc Erson, thank you sa recommendation. Let's try. Kaya mainit. Kasi walang square sa yung left hand ko. Kagalit na naman yun. May ganito siya guys kapag binuksan. Ano siya, yung mismong housing. Yung mismong
Maybe cover.
Meron. So, ito yung lalagyanan niya. Tapos, open mo lang. Baka masira ko yung box. Gasa na lang natin. So, sa loob niya, ito lang ang makikita mo. Tapos, yung mga notes, warranty card. Tapos, may binigay sila sa aming cleaning 3 times na spray. And then, ito na yung Viltrox. Ito siya. Ano siya ni Doc Erson recommendation. So, sorry. Diba? Ganun pa rin ako mag-unboxing. So, open na natin. Sabi, kapag daw ano ka na, ganito. Actually, hindi na ako marunong ito.
Open your.
Here. Ito. Oh, yeah. Here. Whoa, hala. Open mo. Para daw hindi magka-dust yung ganito siya. So, ilagay mo lang yun dito. Tanggalin mo to. Ano mo yun? Sulpak mo. So, kapag magsasulpak, din sa mismong lens para hindi siya ito na siya. So, open na natin yung camera. Ito yung lens size 56mm focal 1.4 f aperture. So, look at that beauty para sa aking para sa amin. This is automatic to. Zoom in and out.
Ja, dat is wel de camera. Ja, klopt.
This is gorgeous.
Ja, dat
Babe, how can I because this is wide and ito. Pero sa ayaw niya naka-zoom. Hindi siya nagpa-function.
Iyan mo sa
Hi guys! Goedemorgen allemaal. Good morning. Magandang umaga. So today's Saturday. It's currently 10:20 in the morning here in the Netherlands. So guys, ito yung continuation nung vlog ko from Thursday. Because Thursday, sabi ko nga sa inyo, I have 2 lenses na kailangan pick upin sa camera niyo. But, they said yung isa wala pa dun. So, I have to go back there today. Supposedly, yesterday. But because I have a lot of errands yesterday, and I couldn't make it to pick up my lens. Which is, well, makikita nyo sa B-roll earlier na kung bakit ako excited from the lenses. I'm gonna show you guys after this kung bakit ako excited dun sa Viltrox na nirecommend ni Doc Urson. Grabe, sobrang life-changing siya sa vlog. Which is I'm going to do that or I'm going to use that soon. Papakita ko sa inyo yung difference between the DJI and kapag may professional lens ka from your camera. Which is actually, nandito siya. Have you seen it? Yeah, this is the Viltrox, which is 56mm. with aperture of 1.4, something like that, which we want to achieve in my vlog and all my things that I need to do with videography. But thank you guys for everything, help, advices. Even though we are not professional, we can do a good video because of you. Well, yeah, so isasama ko kayo. Let's go together in our bike in Amsterdam to go to Cameranu from home to there. I think it's around 1.8 kilometers from here or 2. Depende kung saan kami mag-route, because there's a route in Fondel Park, which is I'm going to show you, where we are going to Fondel Park, and then we're gonna pick up some daylight, because we don't have a daylight extra and we need to change it in our bedroom. So stay tuned guys sa bago kong lens. I'm so excited! So, hi guys. Lagyan muna natin yung mic natin. Nakuha na namin yung... Nandito pa rin kami sa camera new. So, ito yung Sony 35 f1.8, which is my favorite. Not favorite, but you know. It's a nice lens for me, for my vlogging thing. So, pag binuksan niya siya, ganito siya. Naka-bubble wrap siya, hindi katulad ng Vitrox. Kulay white ata yung cover niya. And then may bag. Eto, tignan natin kung may bag. So, ang kasama niya is this one. Naka-bubble wrap siya. And then yung mga manuals. Hindi ko na aanuhin yung manuals tsaka yung mga warranty kasi nandito nga kami sa shop. So, I'm gonna try it today, actually. So, 2 bubble wraps with the Sony. Then, ito yung wow. They have the thing for the sun. And this is Sony. Ito yung talagang gusto din namin ni Wab. So, optical steady shot na siya. May OSS. So, important yun kapag ka nag-vlog ka, the OSS. Pero kapag ka may gimbal ka, okay na din na wala. Actually, pero may gimbal kami, so doesn't matter. So, what I'm going to do is to, can you help me to, and then I'll, to open that, and then I'm going to exchange the lens cup. Huh? Isn't it?
Yeah.
So, just, yeah, that was it. Do it like this. Sabi ni Doc Erson, ganyan daw tayo kasi, so, imamount ko na siya. Sana hindi ko siya masira. So, guys, ito yung kahaba siya. Mas mahaba yung Viltrox kaysa dito kasi 35mm lang to. So, 56 yung Viltrox. So, I'm gonna try to open it. Tignan natin kung magmamapping. Parang yung prime lens lang yung nagmamapping.
Hindi kasi tagal natin binigyan.
Oh, okay. But every time it's mapping. Oh, okay. So, I'm gonna try it with Bobby. Zoom 1.5. Oh, nice. Then aperture. How can I do my aperture? Maybe automatic mo na lang. Well, I can do some aperture. 1.8 to, no?
Yeah.
That is why. I cannot turn it like this. Automatic aperture. Ito yung more, enhanced kesa dun sa Beatrox, actually, guys. Yung Beatrox, iba din yung pagkakaano niya. Pero this one, iba din. It's more like, if you are watching in a Sony film, this is how you can get the picture. The Viltrox is more creamy thing, but this is more clearer into
It's in much
in the image.
in the image.
Yeah. Because the Viltrox separates you from your background. This one, they capture a real story of what we have. Yeah. So guys, naaliw ako dito. Gumanda lalo yung camera ko. Camera pala namin ni Bob. So happy. So tara na sa Fondel Park para makapag-picture na kami. So kailangan mo to ngayon because maaraw. Ha? So I can take it out.
Maybe later. Yeah,
Okay na, baby. Hi, Bobby. So, we're heading to Fondel Park. Then, we're going to stay there for a while. Then let's see. Kumo. Pupi. Haha. Dahan-dahan lang tayo, guys. Because I have a camera. Diba? Nandun si Bobby, oh. Bobby. So, I have a very nice day today. Nice weather. That is why that is a dangerous one. Huh? That is dangerous one. This one is dangerous too. Lubak-lubak siya eh. Bobby, choose. Yeah, so against sa lights si Bob, kaya hindi nyo makita. Well, dito na tayo sa Fondel Park. Kita ko sa inyo, kaso kailangan kong magmamadali po ang nasa likod ko. So, ito na yung Fondel Park, guys. Sasenyas muna ako sa right kasi kailangan kong sumenyas sa right. And then, paano ako magsasenyas sa left? I'm going here. Come up. This is the Fondel Park. Here? Where? Here? Yeah, this good. This one is good. The next to the water. Sorry. Here, Bobby, next to the water. Is nice. Cozy. This is in the middle of the city, guys. Na meron kaming park dito. Here at the right. Yeah, I know. Here. Nothing Hill. Oh, what is that? What? Saan? So guys, ito yung pagkakaiba ng Viltrox na 56mm at ang aperture niya ay 1.4. So, kung makikita nyo, sabi nga nila, creamy yung nasa likod or super blurred yung nasa likod. Which is, eto yung gusto kong i-achieve kapag magpipicture kami ni Bob or pipicturean ako ni Bob or kapag nagsasalita ako ng ganito na gusto ko, hindi kita yung nasa likod ko. So, sa tingin nyo, maganda or okay lang? Comment down below guys kung anong tingin nyo ngayon. Dun sa mga previous video ko, gamit tong Sony camera with my prime lens. Dun sa mga parang interview na ginagawa kong mga content. Pero, kung mas maganda to, comment down below kung ito ay Viltrox 56mm with aperture of 1.4. Then, sa susunod naman, tignan nyo yung pagkakaiba nung isang lens. So guys, ito naman yung Sony 35mm with 1.8 aperture. So, eto naman yung gusto naming ma-achieve ni Bob dito. Yung para talagang nanonood ka sa television, yung maganda yung reception. Like, parang 4K, 8K yung, yung pinanonood mo. So, yun yung gusto kong ma-improve sa vlog ko. Syempre, kapag may vlog, gusto mo yung wow. Hindi lang yung yan. So, sa akin, lalo na ako, nagbibigay ako ng motivation, tsaka yung mga growth ko, sinishare ko sa inyo, gusto ko mas malinaw para hindi tayo katulad ng sabaw ng adobong pusit. You know. Pero, comment down below guys kung eto yung gusto nyo na parang cinematic or yung Viltrox kanina na 56mm with 1.4 aperture na creamy yung likod or blurred yung likod. Sa tingin nyo, anong maganda? Gusto kong marinig yung opinion nyo, guys. As in. Kasi, syempre, kayo yung audience ko. Kayo din yung supporters ko. Kaya, gusto ko ding makuha yung opinion niya. So, see you!